In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put multiple slides in one slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to share or print a compact version of your deck, this method lets you place several slides on a single page, perfect for handouts or quick reviews. Start by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to use. Once your presentation is open on screen, head to the top left corner and click the File tab. In the menu that opens, choose Export. This route is ideal because it creates a clean, shareable PDF without altering your original presentation. Next, select Create PDF/XPS. This opens a publishing window where you'll choose where to save your file and what it will include. Before you publish, click the Options button. This is where the magic happens. In the Options panel, look for the drop-down labeled Publish What. Open that drop-down and select Handouts. Slides would give you one slide per page, but Handouts is designed to place multiple slides on a single page. While you're in Options, you can also set which slides to include. If you only need a portion of your deck, specify a range. Otherwise, leave it set to all slides. Now choose how many slides you want on each page. Pick the layout that fits your needs. Fewer slides per page means larger, easier to read content, while more slides per page saves space. For a practical balance, select 4 slides per page. This typically keeps text legible while reducing page count. Click OK to confirm your choices. You'll return to the Publish window, choose a folder you'll remember, give the PDF a clear name, and click Publish to generate the file. PowerPoint will create a PDF with your slides arranged in the handout layout you selected. To view the result, open your File Explorer, browse to the folder where you saved the PDF, and open it. You should see multiple slides on each page, laid out exactly as chosen. If the content feels too small, go back and export again with fewer slides per page. If you want to squeeze more on a page, increase the number. The best part is that this process doesn't change your original PowerPoint. It simply creates a separate handout file you can share or print. That's all there is to it. You've successfully put multiple slides in one slide style page using PowerPoint's export to PDF handout feature.